Good morning, everyone. It's our first morning in LA. We're celebrating our 1-year anniversary today, so we got up bright and early. We went and drove some crazy canyon roads. They were so twisty. It was a ton of fun. There's some beautiful views. So we're now at Escondido Waterfall, going for a quick morning hike, and then we're gonna go get some brunch and just have a beach day. Go check out a couple beaches. Go to Santa Monica Pier. Yep. And we'll go from there. We are en route to the waterfall now. It's a long, winding, paved road to start, which
honestly,
was
that's
hot.
the worst part. This trail is great. There's a couple like creeks that you need to cross where I've been crawling my way across so I don't slip and fall in.
Yeah,
But
the water crossings you gotta watch out for on this trail.
Oh my gosh, the whole way up was just exhausting. It was worse than the hike itself.
Yeah.
It's all just like uphill
Yeah.
road.
I don't know how much further we have to the waterfall, but we're gonna keep going because I'm excited to see it, and hopefully there's still water flowing right now. But I guess we'll see. It's not super dry right now, so. What'd you think of the waterfall, Me?
It was fantastic. It felt like none of the hikes that we've done in California.
It was very different.
Yeah, it was great.
I am a huge waterfall nerd. I absolutely love them.
Waterfall nerd.
Anytime we go anywhere, I'm always trying to find where we can hike to a waterfall. So I'm sure we'll be bringing you guys lots more waterfall content to come.
Yeah.
But this one was good. It was nice. It was a fairly long hike in, but not too bad.
We did.
And it wasn't too challenging.
By the end, it'll be just shy of 2 hours.
Yeah.
But we stopped there for 20 minutes or so. So an hour 40 hiking time.
Yeah. We were supposed to be going to Catalina Island today, but somebody, aka myself, did not book reservations early enough, and they were sold out till like 3 p.m. and we couldn't get back till the next day, which didn't really work. So we're at the LA Zoo now, and the rest of the day we're just gonna wing it. Yeah, see what happens. We are heading off to our next stop, the zoo we just finished up. It was really
Fantastic.
nice zoo.
We'll insert a whole bunch of footage from the zoo, but honestly it was $22 American each, and I would say worth every penny. We were there for about 2 hours, 2.5 hours.
Yeah, at least.
Yeah.
And we saw the whole zoo in that time. It was really nice, really clean. It wasn't too busy, to be honest.
It's busier now, but we're just on our way out, and it's about 2 o'clock. So if you get there like later morning, definitely worth going then. Now the parking lot is pretty full.
Yeah, we're heading to Galco's soda pop stop next, which is, it's a big store. They only have soda pop. They have over 700 flavors apparently. So we're gonna check that out and then go to Gold Burger, which is one of the best smash burgers in LA, and I'm a big smash burger fan, so we'll see how that lives up to the hype. Mia walked in already, but I'm gonna film just heading in here and take a look. Hello. All right, let's go see if we can find her. Oh, so it turns out they have a huge selection of wine too, actually. It's crazy. This whole place is just absolutely stocked with soda. Store is so cool. Mia's already got a cart full of soda she wants to try.
I have so far Hollywood's original Shirley Temple. I have Salem Sisters Bad Apple Soda.
Fun.
Okay, this one might be gnarly, but I had to try it.
Gnarly?
Oh, nasty, I don't know. Espresso coffee soda.
That'll be interesting.
Butterscotch root beer. And what was my last one? This one?
Yep.
So far.
Frosty.
Blue cream soda. Frosty.
I'm sure she's gonna find more, but...
Do we want heavy carbonation or light carbonation? Obviously not plain water.
Too heavy.
Heavy carbonation?
Yeah, or 1 and 1.
1 and 1. I don't know if I can... Ah. Okay, it says roughly to the shoulder line. I think I got that one. This one's easier to fill, the light combination. Okay, now we have to choose a flavor. I'm overwhelmed. There are
Just
so
pick
many
one.
kinds. Toasted marshmallow.
Yeah, do the other one, not.
Okay.
Dessert soda.
Yeah?
Yeah.
2, 3. I think that was, oh, nope, it was working slightly. I'm gonna add a little of this one. Okay, there we go. That one's done. Okay, heavy carbonation is, you wanna try toasted marshmallow?
Yeah, do a dessert soda.
Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then let's go, I saw another one, Swiss chocolate.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Hold on. Okay, that's all this one can actually fit.
Oh my goodness.
Done.
If you guys happen to be in LA and get the chance to come by Galco's soda pop stop, it is definitely worth every second. It was so cool in there. They've got endless kinds of soda, lots of craft beers from all over the world, wine.
Like hundreds upon hundreds of different sodas.
Crazy.
We got 7 or 8.
Yeah.
6 just like regular kinds, 2 that we created.
Yeah.
And we'll do a little taste test session back.
Yeah,
at
we'll see
the
how they
hotel.
are. If we
But
can
we need
read
a
which
bottle
ones
opener.
they are.
Yeah.
So we're heading off to lunch now. So we'll see if this smash burger is as good as they say it is. Alright, we got our food. We got the classic gold burger, which is their signature, and curly fries. You're already diving into, so we'll take a bite and see how it is. That is phenomenal.
The meat looks like crispy.
Yeah, so I'm pretty sure, I could be wrong, but the technique that they use here for these, they have a press, and when they smash the burger on, they kind of push the edges out to get the really thin, crispy edge. Not a lot of places do that, but there's a reason this place is called the best. We are ending our night at the Griffith Observatory. It's just about sunset here.
I actually don't know what we're doing next, but yeah, it could be the end, it could not be.
So it's just about sunset. Hopefully we get some really beautiful views up here. It's a long walk up. We parked down.
There is actually parking higher up.
Paid parking.
So we took the free parking.
Yeah, Greek Theater
and
at the
somebody
bottom
didn't want to wait in line.
is free parking, and we have some chicken sandwiches to work off anyway, so.